Hey everybody, this is Mike. I had a request from somebody that said, hey Mike, why don't you ever try to cook a brand new recipe, one that you've never done before? So that's what I've done. I have a brand new recipe for egg roll in a bowl, and I am gonna make it right here, right now. I'm gonna heat up my large skillet to medium. I'm gonna throw in a clove of garlic that I've cut up and minced with about a tablespoon of vegetable oil and a tablespoon of either fresh or ground ginger. And I'll let that cook for about a minute once it's heated up. Then you're gonna add a pound of ground pork. I use my wooden spoon to break it up a little bit. Mix it all around the canola oil, ginger, garlic mix until the pork is golden brown. You can even turn the heat up a little bit, but no more than medium high. So after you've browned it for about 8 to 10 minutes, you're gonna push this mixture to the side. About a tablespoon of sesame oil, and then either a chopped up small onion or half of a large onion, about a cup of shredded or chopped up carrot, and then a green leafy vegetable of your choice. Cabbage, lettuce, I'm using baby bok choy. I got 3 bells of baby bok choy here. And you're also gonna add about a quarter of a cup of soy sauce. You wanna mix it until your green leafy vegetable of choice gets a little tender. For about 5 to 8 minutes, so once you've let it cook for a little while, you're gonna serve it in a bowl, and then you'll top it with some scallions. So there you have it, egg roll in a bowl. Wow. That's fantastic. Enjoy.